Brad Williams, XL Prime. 3 tips about filter array functions. 1, we have a very basic, straightforward filter. Number 2, we have multiple criteria filters. And 3, we have filters that will blow your mind. Let's dive in here. What's the filter? Well, it allows you to filter a range of data based on criteria you define. So for example, we have a bunch of stuff in a range. I want to narrow this down. I want to ask Excel, in the state of Oregon, show me the orders, the amount, the name, and the state. Well, how do we do that? Well, the filter function will take care of that. What it does is it looks at the array. It has an include. In other words, you're going to set your criteria. Optionally, if it finds nothing, you can put something in there, not found or a blank or 0 or what have you. See how this works. When you're doing something like this, it's a spill feature. What is spill? That means it's an array. Control Shift Enter in the past would make us put in brackets. Now we enter the function here in G7, and if there are multiple answers, if you will, Excel will spill them down. That's why you want to leave a few rows available. So for example, if you were to put in Texas, you can count Texas 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to need 5 rows. So the worst case scenario, you might want to leave 6 or 7 rows open. How does this work? Let's take a peek. Here we have, up in the formula bar, we have the array. What is the array? It's the defined area you want filtered. And we want order, amount, name, and state. Go up to the header in the range, and it says order, amount, name, state. Your array has to cover all of the data in this range. What are we looking for? Include E5 to E15 equals Oregon. Where's E5? Right here, under the state. That's it. And then you can put not found. That's how simple it is. Then you just hit go. What it does, it looks for this entire array. If it finds Oregon, it's going to spill the entire bit of information. Why? Well, because that's how you define the array. If you don't want order in there, then put C. It's only going to give you the amount, name, and state. And if your headers in your answer area are different, you can see 125, go back down to Oregon, 125, and 134. Why? Because we recognize in the array amount, name, and state. How? We just said C5 to E15. If we go back and just put this to B, it's going to spill the Oregon information. If we go into Texas, see how that spilled down? We can leave the borders there. And if you put, I don't know, New York, NY, and it's not case sensitive, you get not found in one cell. Filters are really nice, simple, and easy to put together. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.